Nova, can we do some sign language? Can you say more?
No.
More? Can you say please? Good girl. Good girl. Can you say eat? Eat. That's right. Can you say thank you? Thank you. Say thank you. Can you say milk? Milk. Say thank you. More. Say more, please. Nova, say more, please. Please. Say thank you. Say thank you. Nova, say thank you. Say thank you. There we go. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.